If you're planning to export onion containers to Dubai, considering that the onion export requires less capital investment and has easy process to export, then please stop now and watch this video. You may find commission agent easily and will be interested to import from you, but the commission agent are waiting to trap you and loot your hard-earned money. Onion exported to be sold in Alvir wholesale market are mostly through commission agent who sell the cargo on behalf of you. For onion and other commodity, most of the exporter do on commission basis. The broker charges 3 to 5% commission on selling price if you earn profit or make loss. Some of the most common scam the commission agent does. Before shipping, they might have told the demand is more, you will find and make good profit out, but in commodity cargo like onion, no one can predict the market as the price depends on demand and supply. Once the cargo reaches Dubai, the broker statement will change, saying that the market condition is not good now, as there is increase in supply of onions. But in reality, the broker will be lying to you. So you would wait till the market recovers and you may a good profit, as you have no source to check the price and would have to trust your broker as you are in a different country. Later on, a broker will say the market rates are still down. To avoid more loss, you will have to sell the cargo in loss. The broker will be selling the cargo in good price but will inform you that you made loss. Second most used scams is the broker will inform the onion condition is not good or has lost weight due to dehydration, or even say few onion bags were spoiled. Due to all this reason, the onions will have to be sold in less price. You might have graded the onions and shipped in good condition, but the broker will be sharing you the wrong info along with the photo proof. You will have no option but to tell the broker to sell the cargo in loss, but the broker will make profit selling in good rate and pocket the difference. Fraud companies will even pay you some money in advance and later on, once the cargo is in their custody, won't pick up your call or won't reply to your mail. So be careful with commission agent who will pay you in advance, as there are chances they will take your money and run back to their countries. You will not be able to file any case on the broker. Broker even make profit on the costs such as storage facilities and parking fees normally are billed for 3 days, as full container cargo takes time to sell, but the agent will inform it took more than 4 days to sell the cargo and will bill you the additional fees of storage and parking fees. The broker will charge you VAT, shipping line cost, labor cost, cleaning and etc. and make profit. To avoid such scam, it is better you avoid commission agent and to do business with direct importers. Do your research and build strong relationship with your importer. You can check the credibility of buyer from Chamber of Commerce before exporting. Every business has a good and bad. There is no shortcut in export also. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Thanks for watching.